11 Best AI Tools for Knowledge Workers. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the 11 best AI tools for knowledge workers. Whether you're managing projects, writing reports, or researching new ideas, these AI tools can help boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. Now, let's get started, kicking things off with number 11. At number 11, we have Otter.ai. Otter.ai is an AI-powered transcription tool that converts spoken words into text, making meeting notes and interviews a breeze. Some of its key features are accurate transcriptions, capture meeting conversations in real time, and searchable notes. Easily find key points with searchable transcripts. And some standout features are there's a free plan available with essential features, and it also integrates with popular conferencing tools. The only pullbacks I would say is the accuracy can vary with heavy accents or noisy environments, and also advanced features require a paid subscription. But I would definitely recommend Otter.ai as it is ideal for knowledge workers who attend frequent meetings and need reliable automatic transcriptions. And you can see right here that their pricing plan begins at $16.99 per month and it can go up to $30 per month. Coming in at number 10, we have Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI writing assistant that helps improve your writing by checking grammar, tone, and clarity. Some of its standout features are real-time feedback, as you'll instantly get corrections on your grammar and spelling errors. Also style suggestions, so this will help you enhance clarity and engagement in your writing. And also it is easy to use browser extension and desktop app. And they also provide you with a free version which covers basic corrections. The only pullback I would say with Grammarly is advanced suggestions need a premium subscription, which I would definitely recommend, and sometimes overly perceptive with creative writing, but it is ideal for anyone who writes emails, reports, or content and wants to ensure clear, error-free communication. And you can see that their pricing plans begins at $12 per month, as you can see right here. And at number 9, we have Wordtune. Wordtune is an AI-powered rewriting tool that helps you rephrase and refine your writing for better clarity and tone. Some of its standout features are multiple rewrite options, as it offers different ways to express your ideas. Also, their tone adjustment feature helps tailor your message to your audience. And some other standout features are intuitive and easy to integrate with your writing workflow. It speeds up the editing process significantly. The only pullback I would say is some suggestions may not always fit your context perfectly, and also advanced features require a subscription. And you can see that your subscription plan starts off at $6.99 per month, and it can go up to, better yet, your subscription plan starts off at $13.99 per month once you're on the monthly plan, and it can go up to $19.99. But I would say that this is perfect for knowledge workers who want to polish their writing quickly and experiment with different phrasing. Coming in at number 8, we have ChatGPT, aka OpenAI. ChatGPT is a conversational AI that can help you draft content, brainstorm ideas, and even summarize complex topics. Some of its standout features are versatile assistance, ideal for drafting emails, reports, or brainstorming sessions. Quick responses, as it generates ideas and answers in seconds. Also, it is easy to use with a conversational interface, and it is continually updated with new features and knowledge. The only pullback I would say is may require careful prompting to get the best results, and also occasional inaccuracies that need human review. But anyone looking for an AI assistant to spark creativity and handle routine writing tasks, I would definitely recommend that they give ChatGPT a try. While you can get started for completely free, their paid plan begins at $20 per month, and depending on the features that you require, it can go up to $200 per month. And next on our list, we have Notion AI. Notion AI integrates seamlessly with the Notion workspace, enhancing note-taking, project management, and document creation with smart AI features. Talking about features, some of their standout features are enhanced productivity as it automatically generates summaries, action ideas, and more. And also integrated workflow as it combines note-taking with project management. And it streamlines organization and collaboration within one platform. And also with Notion AI, regular updates and improvements from the Notion team. The only pullback I would say, the best features are available only in the paid plan. Knowledge workers who use Notion and want to supercharge their productivity with AI enhanced features. And you can see right here that you can get started for as low as $12 per month and it can go up to $18 per month. Next on our list we have Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an advanced content creation tool designed to help you generate blog posts, marketing copy, and more with minimal effort. Some of its standout features are fast content generation as it produces drafts quickly, saving you time, customizable outputs, tailor the tone and style to fit your need. Also, it is ideal for high volume content creation and constantly improving with new templates and features. The only pullback I would say is the premium pricing may be steep for casual users and may require manual editing to ensure accuracy. But I would say that Jasper AI, knowledge workers in content marketing, or anyone needing to produce creative written content efficiently, I would definitely recommend that they use Jasper AI. And you can see that you can get started on their monthly plan for as low as $49 per month, and it can go up to $69 per month. And at number 5, we have Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI tool focused on creative brainstorming and content generation, perfect for drafting marketing copy or social media posts. Some of its standout features are creative brainstorming as it generates fresh ideas and creative copy instantly, diverse templates as it offers various writing styles for different platforms. Also, its user-friendly interface with quick content generation makes it perfect for even beginners, and it is helpful for overcoming writer's block. The only pullback I would say when it comes onto Copy.ai, some outputs may require significant editing, and also advanced features are part of the paid plans. But knowledge workers looking to generate creative content and overcome writer's block in their marketing or content projects, Copy.ai is perfect for you. And you can request their pricing as you can see right here. You can also request a demo. And the next one on our list is Zoom.ai. Zoom AI is an AI-powered meeting assistant that automates scheduling, reminders, and routine administrative tasks. Some of its standout features are automated scheduling, streamlines calendar management and meeting planning. Smart reminders keeps you on track with tasks, deadlines, and follow-ups. Also, it will save you time by automating repetitive tasks, and it integrates seamlessly with popular calendar and email systems. The only pullback I would say is may have a steep learning curve during initial setup, and some advanced features require a paid plan. But knowledge workers juggling multiple meetings and tasks looking to streamline their schedules effortlessly, I would definitely recommend that you use Zoom. And you can see right here that you can get started for as low as $13 per month, and it can go up to $18 per month. And at number 3, we have Descript. Descript is an AI-driven audio and video editing tool that simplifies the editing process by turning spoken content into editable text. Some standout features of this platform are text-based editing videos and podcasts as easily as you edit a document. Automated transcriptions allows you to generate accurate transcriptions for quick revision. And also, it is great for content creators and educators as it reduces time spent on traditional editing tasks. The only pullback I would say, some advanced editing features require a higher tier plan, and it is best suited for users with audio or video content needs. But knowledge workers who create multimedia content such as podcasts, webinars, or training videos and want a faster editing workflow, I would definitely recommend that you give Descript a try. And you can see that their monthly plan begins at $19 per month and it can go up to $50 per month. And coming in at number 2, we have Elicit. Elicit is an AI research assistant that helps you find, summarize, and synthesize research papers and data, making your research process more efficient. Some of its standout features are streamlined research, quickly gathers relevant studies and insights, data synthesizing as it summarizes key points to inform your work. And also it saves time by automating literature reviews and is user-friendly interface with clear summaries. The only pullback I would say is it is best for academic or in-depth research and may be overkill for a casual user. Let's check out their pricing. You can see right here, if we were to scroll down, while you can get started for free, their monthly plan begins at $12 and it can go up to $49. And this would be perfect for knowledge workers involved in research-intensive projects such as academics, analytics, or consultants. And taking the number 1 spot is Miro AI. Miro AI enhances the popular collaborative whiteboard platform with smart AI features that help visualize ideas, streamline brainstorming, and plan projects. Some of its standout features are collaborative brainstorming, as you'll be able to use their real-time collaboration feature with integrated AI suggestions. Also, visual organization. With Miro AI, you'll be able to easily create and manage dynamic mind maps and project boards. Also, its intuitive visual interface is perfect for team collaboration, and the Miro AI is constantly getting updates with innovative AI-driven tools. The only pullback is some advanced features require a subscription, and it may be overwhelming for users new to digital whiteboarding. But knowledge workers and teams who rely on visual collaboration to manage ideas, projects, and workflows, Miro AI is perfect for you. And you can see right here that you can get started for free, and their monthly plan begins at $8, and you can see it can go up to $16. And that wraps up my list of the 11 best AI tools for knowledge workers. Whether you need help with writing, scheduling, or research, there's an AI tool here to boost your productivity and simplify your workflow. Which AI tool are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.